Welcome friends on our YouTube channel Rudra Solar Energy. Here is the solar dryer 25 kg loading capacity with electrical backup heater. This dryer is manufactured by Rudra Solar Energy and this dryer works on 3 modes of heat transfer. If you are first time on our YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you can have a latest update about our products. Now from this red portion there will be cold air inside the dryer. In between there is an electric heater is fitted and the thermostat will control the temperature of electrical heater. The compartment of the dryer is completely airtight except the cold air entry portion. There will be 8 numbers of loading tray from these loading doors. The door locking mechanism is also airtight and dust free. So once you put the solar dryer into the sunlight, when the sunlight enters into the cabinet, it will rise the temperature. And the product kept for the drying, it will dry using the solar energy, and when there is a low sun, it will dry with the electric heater. The dryer is equipped with 360-degree movement caster wheels, food grade engineered perforated trays to have your better efficiency of the drying. We have taken care of each kind of hygiene for your dried product also, and it works on 3 modes of heat transfer. Due to that, the drying rate of this dryer are very faster compared to cheaper available dryers available in the market. The top sheet is ultraviolet protection polycarbonate sheet. The conduction heat from the tray will heat up the product to be dried, and the convective heat through the fan, it will remove the moisture out, and the direct radiation heat of the solar rays also heats the solar dryer. Here is the brand, the Rudra Solar Energy, the trusted brand in solar dryer, and it's proudly made in Bharat. There is a fan control mechanism also. You can switch on, switch off the fans as per the desired temperature. You can do any kind of product drying, any kind of powder making business from this kind of solar dryer. For more detail, log on to our website rudrasolarenergy.com, rudrasolar.in.